pictures.
Yeah, no. We are allergic.
Open this.
Yeah.
This is
We are
the
allergic to pictures. Just
ancient shoes of Bulgaria, you know. This is from the leather.
You know, I used to
And
go to Bulgaria. You know Sofia?
Yeah.
You know Park Hotel,
Yes.
opposite the Russian embassy? The old Russian embassy, or is it still the same? I used to stay in Park Hotel there,
Park Hotel Sofia.
Is it?
opposite the Russian embassy. All the Russian. Thank you very
These
much.
are symbolic, the
This is
steps
symbolic
they want to
of
take.
the Bulgarians.
Thank you very
And
much.
this is our small country.
I've been to
And this is our town near the sea, Varna.
Varna. I know
Yes.
about Varna.
And all the Bulgaria inviting you just to come
You
and
invite
meet
us,
us.
tell me when, I'll come.
tomorrow.
No problem.